Hey Trish, just following up with a little personalized video with the renderings that I shared in our last conversation. These are earlier stage renderings. We are only about a month and a half in, and they'll continue to receive many layers, but it shows you where we're going. And there are also some photos of a recent project we just completed. But while you enjoy that presentation, I thought I would talk a little bit more about our approach and how we're different. The biggest differentiator for Murphy Maude Interiors, and certainly New Earth Design Collective and all affiliated businesses, is the energetic attunement that we bring. So energetic attunement to design. We call it energetic design intelligence. And it's basically a way of saying we understand that whatever we design is designing us back, is designing our clients back, that there is an innate intelligence in everything that we do, in every material. What is the vibration of wood, of stone? What materials are we using? What is the origin? Was it made with love? Was it made by hand? All of these things make up the field that is the room that we are working in. And that field can either be coherent or it can be a dissonant field. And depending on the field that is created in the environment, the human field changes. So your field is actually changing based on the field that is anchored in to the room we design. So we take very seriously the constructing of the energy in the space that we are designing. Beauty is the bare minimum. A good business process is also just a necessity. The ability to fine-tune and anchor in beautiful, loving, healing energy is what we do. We also really want this to be a beautiful experience for you and for us. We want it to be a relationship, a very healthy, loving, beautiful relationship, because it is a long process, and there are a lot of emotions that can stir. And if we are really anchored in to trust, it can be a magical experience. And we're very discerning about how we hold these and who we take on, because it is such a tender, lovely, beautiful thing that we get to do for people, creating your sacred space, which is your home. And because it is so important, we take very, very few clients here. We take 2 very large construction projects a year. The reason for that is the level of attention to detail, the hand selection of everything down to matching dishes and towels for your new kitchens and baths, if that is your desire, and the time that it takes to really do this work properly and to enjoy it. Ultimately, we want you to find the right fit and the best person for the job. If that is us, we will be thrilled, and we would love to keep this conversation going. Thank you so much.